Hello lovelies, I'm Rachel and this is Pete. Whether it's trying new foods or trying new motorcycles, we love taking full advantage of life and travelling around our home state of Lutruwita, Tasmania. Join us today on a wonderful waterfall walk. We're in South Hobart, maybe Fern Tree?
Border between South Hobart and Fern Tree.
And we're going to look at Strickland Falls.
Yay! What will this be? Number
4.
Number 4. I'm going to run out of fingers soon.
So it's on a bend. There's road going down there and going up there. Little picnic table, and this is the parking area, which is not very clear.
If you are a map person, this is our current latitude and longitude. I have no idea what those numbers mean.
They mean things.
Apparently, locals don't know much about the Strickland Falls because there's no sign.
It's not meant to be a very long walk though, right?
No. Oh, this is pretty.
That's it, up there. That looks very steep though, doesn't it? Should we try and get closer?
Yep. I'll put my phone away.
Yeah. Just for reference of where we are, there's the motorcycle right there through the trees. Oh, hi Pete.
Hi. Quite steep.
Oh gosh, okay. Now I've got my breath back a little bit. Look how steep that is down there.
How many story building we go in there?
2 or 3? And then this side.
This is steeper.
Okay.
Alright. So
I would say that this is not a hike for families.
no. Unless they're adventure
And
people like us.
don't recommend it within a month of having COVID.
No.
Honestly, just when you get to here, stop. This is the best view you get. Any final thoughts or feelings on the walk we've just done?
I think the 1 minute or 5 minutes that they say that it should take
Was accurate if you stop.
accurate if it hasn't rained for 7 years.
Yeah.
That was really slippery and very steep. So,
Yeah.
well, in proper hiking boots would be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Like-
it's still a scramble.
You see, you don't have any tread on your motorcycle shoes.
Not much.
Not much. And I've got a little bit, but like these are not a walking shoe by any means.
No. There's no one here because there's no signs and it's really hard to get to.
Yeah, but it's very pretty. It's very, very green. And there's a
Yeah.
lot of water at the moment.
And when you get out, you can have a cup of tea at that little table.
And here comes a cyclist down the road. Big cycling route,
Yeah.
as they say.
Oh, Okay.
I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we did it! Waterfall number 4. Strickland Falls.